bullish engulfing bar. This is now. The first one is what? Is small. The second one is what? Is big. It's engulfing the previous one. Now, this is the psychology now. It means there are more buyers dominating the market. Did you get now? Do you get? Look now. This guy has small body. Abi? The guy has what? Big what? Body. It shows that there are more buyers in the market at this time. Because why? It overshadowed this previous what? Candle. You see it now? That's the psychology behind this what thing. The anatomy now is that this one now has small body, then this one has what? Bigger what? Body. And the bigger ones or long ones indicates what? More what? Buying what? Pressure. For a bullish candle, the more selling pressure for a what? A bearish what? Candle. So, as usual, this one is a what? Smaller body, right? Smaller body. Then, look at me. Here's what? God bless you. The open price or the opening price. Because everything is priced now, right? Everything is priced. The year is what? Closing price. Right? This one is a big what? Body. Right? Bigger what? Body. Then let's move to bearish engulfing bar. Bearish engulfing bar. It's the same thing, just that it's at the what? Opposite. Abi? The bearish engulfing bar is very, very simple. The first body is same thing. The same thing. Let me see write it. It's same thing. Just that it's at the what? Downtrend. Abi? The same thing. The first body or the first candle, the first body is smaller than the second one. In other words, the second body engulfs the previous one. It engulfs the previous what? One. God bless you. So same thing. Look at it. Same thing. Smaller body, right? Yeah, look at me now. Here's what? God bless you. Open, because it's a bearish what candle, right? Yeah. Opening price. The year is what? Closed. Or closing what? Price. That's it. So, in the bullish engulfing bar, it shows that buyers are in what? In control, in charge, right? They are in what? In charge. It shows that what? Buyers are in what? In charge. They are in control too, right? Then in bearish engulfing bar, it shows that what sellers are in what? Sellers are in charge, or they're in what? Control. Right? Control. They're in control. So if you want to sell, the moment you see this candlestick pattern, it will give you more confidence that hey, sellers are now in what? In control. Let me what? Join what? Sellers and sell the what? Market. Do you get? That's how it works. That's how it works. That's how it works. So the thing is, I will show you how to put these things. You know, so it means that look, it means we are not just trading the candlestick pattern. We are trading the candlestick pattern in line with the direction of the what? Of the what? Of the market. So once you get the direction of the market from the higher time frame, using your support, resistance, your trend line, your fib and like that. The next thing is you will now wait for the candlestick to form in line with that direction. So for an uptrend market, in the support zone, you wait for either bullish engulfing bar to what? To form, or another bullish candlestick what? Pattern to what? To form before you what? Enter the what? The market. All these things are at the what? The smaller what? Time frame. At the what? Smaller what? Time frame. Smaller time frame. Smaller time frame. So they're very, very, very simple. So you trade candlestick pattern. Yeah, no to. This is very, very powerful. You trade candlestick pattern in line with the direction of the what? Of the market. So once you look at the chart now and it is uptrend, the next thing you do is to wait to get the beginning of the what? Impossible move, right? At that zone that you've marked, you now be looking for what? Bullish candles, bullish patterns, bullish engulfing bar, bullish pin bar, bullish this, bullish that, bullish this, bullish that, bullish this, bullish that. Do you get? So the next candlestick pattern is what we call doji. It's called what? Doji. It's called what? Doji. Have you guys done it? It's called what? Doji. It's called doji or daji. Daji or doji. Daji. It's called what? Daji. I'll teach you just kill, then you can. I'll show you. The thing is that these things are just to know it for knowing sake, like that. You get. Then if you want to trade life now, you won't need many of those candlesticks pattern. You just will get the psychology behind it. Like me now, I will hardly even look at candlestick patterns. But once if you just apply them, do you get? The thing is, the most important thing is the zone. Is the zone of the higher time frame. That's the most important thing. Do you get? Don't worry. Let's keep on going. Doji what? Candlestick. Candlestick what? Pattern. It's very, very simple. This one is very, very simple. It tells us the market opens and closes at the same price. It tells us today I'm not copying. Today is not copying. It tells us that what? It tells us that the market opens and close. I will give you guys one material that contains candlesticks pattern. Do you get? Just to read it and do you get? I'll just teach you guys just TV because that's what I use. Candlesticks pattern. I use engulfing bar and pin bar. It tells us the market opens and closes at the same price, meaning nobody is in what in control. Both sellers and buyers, they are in equilibrium, they are equal. They are equal. You don't be like this. They are equal. Let me draw it well. They are what? They are equal. So it tells us that what the market opens and closes at the same price, which means there is equality. There's what? Which means there's what? There is equality or equality and indecision. See, right? Indecision between what? Buyers and sellers. So wait. Once you see a count that shows that there's indecision between buyers and sellers, what will you do? You see that a candle shows that there's indecision between buyers and sellers. What you go do? You do your own best now. Sure. You see it now. That is psychology behind it. You know, people, you always stress that you one now. We take what? Take charge, then you now follow. That's just the psychology. All these things just to know the word psychology behind it. You get? Now, there's indecision between buyers and sellers. You stand on your own till one dominates. The next candle now will now determine which party dominates, right? The next candle that will form now will now determine which party that dominates, right? So it means if you see a dodgy candle now, for example now, you will now wait that okay, let me wait for the next person that will dominate the market. Once you know the next person, you will follow in line with the direction of the market. That's in short. For example, the most important thing is the direction of the market, the entire direction of the market. If it's uptrend, baba, just thinking of buy. If it's downtrend, just think of sell. Not do anything again. All your candlestick pattern or everything, you should follow that direction. Or else you have troubles or issues. You see an look. Now here body is supposed to be before. Yeah, like this. It's supposed to be like this now, right? It's supposed to be like this, Abi? But if there's a body, it means one part is what dominated, So this one doesn't have what body. This particular count doesn't have what body because nobody dominated. Because why? Nobody dominated. Nobody. So there's no body. There's no body of the word candle. Because once there's body, it shows that a party dominated. Then if it is smaller body, it shows that party has small pressure at that time. It is bigger body, it shows that that party has bigger or higher pressure or higher higher buying or selling pressure at that time, meaning that part dominated the market at that time. So this is it. Yes, low, right? Is low, low or lowest price, right? Here too, as usual, is high, or highest price. Yes, open price. Yes, also close price. Close or closing price, It's the same thing. Opening price, ing. Opening price. So see it now. It means there is no what decision what in the market. So the next candle that will form after this candle will now determine who won the battle, right? Who is in what? Who is in charge? That's it. There's the dragonfly, the doji pattern. There's the gravestone. There's Arami. There are so many. There is the Arami. There's shooting star. There are so many. The most important thing is the direction of the what of the market direction. Once you know the entire direction of the market, you are going to go. You get? That's how it works. So the last one I will show you guys is a pin bar or armor. The pin bar or what? Armor. You just think armor beef for your brain first. Armor. Shit like this now. So the pin bar or the armor, right? Or the what armor. Or the what armor. So I'll give you guys a material that you guys can use to study the rest candlestick pattern. Let me go armor. The armor. Black top. Top. The armor. Pin bar. So the armor is created when the open high and close are roughly the same price. Okay, that's right. It's created. It is created when the open high and close are roughly the same what price. It is characterized. It is characterized, meaning the attributes or the characteristics of a pin bar, right? That's the meaning. By a long shadow, long lower shadow that indicates a bullish hammer. This hammer is a bullish candle. This hammer is a what? A bullish what candle that indicates a buying that indicates a bullish rejection, from buyers, and their intention is to what? Push the market higher, to push the what market. Here. See, I'm here. Bullish. Look now. See the psychology here now. This is the psychology now. Look now. There's a rejection. Do you get? So buyers now what try to what push the what market what higher. So if you see like this, it means that place that it rejected from now, it's a strong zone. So it means there are much or there are more buyers at that zone. So they rejected that spot and what pushed what the market what telling you that the next candle will be what will be what the next candle that will form now will be what bullish. Abi good because why buyers now showed up here. They push the what market what higher. It means that the next candle they will continue. Yeah, going up. So here now is the what? Yeah. Tell me, here is the what? Yes, which price? Open or close? Good, open. Open the price. Because why? It's a bullish what? Candle, right? It's a bullish candle. They are trying to what? Push the what? Market higher, right? Trying to push the market higher. Here's what? Closing price. Guess what? The characteristics of a pin bar, the armor, it has long shadow. Very, very important. Is that long shadow that is showing that there's what a bullish what rejection that most buyers are trying to push the market what? Oh yeah, so it's very, very, very important. Long what? Long what? Long what? Lower shadow. In reality, so sometimes in reality, they will have small one here to like this too. In reality, it does have something like this too. It's still a pin bar. It's still what? A pin bar. The most important thing is that there was what? A rejection. A bullish what? Rejection. Do you get? That's it. Then so are we there? Are we there? This one it shows a reversal. It shows a what? A reversal. A reversal when it occurs at the bottom of a downtrend. It shows a reversal when it occurs at the what bottom of a what a downtrend. Because it's coming down like this now. Example now. And pin bar, it means that it wants to reverse from up to what to top. It wants to reverse from uptrend to what? Sorry, from downtrend to what? Uptrend. So that's it. So the so look now, B. That's what small what body too, right? Small what body or body. Small what body, right? Then if there's a bull, there will be what bear, right? So if the bullish pin bar now, the bullish pin bar is the hammer, then the bearish pin bar is the shooting star. The bearish pin bar is what? The shooting what? The shooting star. Is the what? Bearish what? Bearish what? Pin bar. The hammer is the bullish pin bar. Then the shooting star is what? Bearish what? Pin bar. Pin what? Bar. Pin bar. Can you see it? Let me clean this nonsense. Bearish, pin, bearish pin bar. That's the shooting star. The same thing, same thing. Bearish will pin bar. So yeah, long shadow, long shadow. Down abi? Here's what? It's coming down now. Here's what? Good. Opening price. Because it's coming down. Then here's what? Closing price. So it's same thing. So it is the what? Bearish version of the what? Pin bar. The bearish version of the what? Pin bar, right? So it's bearish version of the what? Pin bar. So that just practically how candlestick patterns are. So it's just for you to know the anatomy, the body size of the candle. Like this one now, this one is what? Smaller what? Body. And this one is longer wick. So it shows that there's a what? Rejection. They are pushing the what? The market what? Downwards, right? That's it. That's what psychology behind it. So that is it.